It's SheetFools. This is 24 automations that are going to wreak havoc on your spreadsheet or someone else's, maybe your colleagues. Right in this video, we're going to change the header font to Comic Sans on open. Go to extensions app script. Over here, we already have function on open, so we need to create a function Comic Sans the header. And in this function, we're going to need a variable sheet equals spreadsheet app.get active sheet. We're going to need the header range, sheet.get range, 1, 1, 1, and comma sheet get max columns. That's going to get us all the columns in the first row. And then range dot set font family. We actually need header range dot set font family. And here in text in quotes, we're going to write Comic Sans MS. Command S for save, but we also need to move this Comic Sans here with the parentheses save. Now, if we close this, by the way, if you want all of these automations and you want to just copy and paste them into your Google Drive, get them at bettersheets.co/sheetfools. Here, let's refresh our sheet, close it, and open it again. And there, our header is now Comic Sans. Oh my, what a crazy fun thing to do. Change that font to Comic Sans whenever the sheet is opened. If you're looking for more, we have a ton other videos here. 24 automations we're making today. Go check out the other videos to see more automations to wreak havoc upon your colleagues' spreadsheets and get all of them at SheetFools over on bettersheets.co.